This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be doing an honest review for the ChartPrime indicator and see if it's the best TradingView indicator in 2025. So ChartPrime indicator, this is ideal for traders who want a premium all-in-one technical analysis toolkit on TradingView. So let's start with its pros and cons. So for the pros, it has advanced tools like smart money concepts, trend detection, and volume-based support or resistance. It also has the dynamic oscillators and auto pattern detection. And it also is beginner-friendly interface with TradingView integration. And lastly is its active updates and educational support. For the cons is it has paid subscription only, so there is no free version. So you really have to pay if you really want to use the ChartPrime indicator. And the learning curve is slightly hard. So if you're new, it can be really hard for you for the interface to learn the interface. And lastly is it works only on TradingView, so there's no MT4, MT5, CTrader support. So for the conclusion, you have to go for ChartPrime if you want that all-in-one indicator suite that automates advanced analysis on TradingView. You can also stick with TradingView's built-in tools or free community scripts if you prefer full customization, find script coding, or if you are on a budget. So if for serious traders who want edge plus automation without coding rather, ChartPrime is worth for you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!